Imagine riding a motorcycle that captured the essence of MotoGP, a machine born on the track, sculpted for the road, and engineered with almost obsessive detail. This is the Ducati Desmosedici GP03, a rare street-legal beast from Ducati, designed to blur the line between race machine and road bike. Back in the mid-2000s, Ducati decided to bring their racing DNA to the public. The Desmosedici GP03 was created as a limited edition superbike, inspired by their MotoGP bikes. Produced in small numbers, just 1,500 units globally, it carried the same architectural core as Ducati's 90-degree V4s from the track. From the trellis frame to carbon panels and magnesium components, this bike was built with one goal: performance. Key specifications: engine, 989cc, 90-degree V4, DOHC, desmodromic valve actuation, gear-driven cams. Power and torque: around 200 horsepower at approximately 13,800 RPM. Torque around 11.8 kilograms, approximately 85.5 pound-feet, at 10,500 RPM. Weight and performance: dry weight approximately 171 kilograms. Top speed reported around 190 miles per hour, approximately 302 kilometers per hour in some specifications. Chassis and components: tubular steel trellis frame with carbon fiber seat support and aluminium swing arm. Fully adjustable Hurlins front and rear suspension, for example, FG353P forks with TIN coating. Brakes: dual 330mm Brembo radial monoblock front discs. Single 240mm rear disc. Magnesium forged Marchesini wheels. Carbon fairing and high-end materials throughout. So, market and price. When new, the Desmosedici GP03 carried a price tag of roughly €55,000, depending on region, for the initial units. Today, because of its rarity and collectability, values vary widely. Used examples are listed from €75,000 to over €120,000 in Europe. In some markets, listings approach $150,000 plus US dollars for pristine, low-kilometer, numbered units. Why it matters: this isn't just a nice superbike. The Desmosedici GP03